Hi team, welcome to another episode of TypeScript 0 to Hero series. In this lecture, we are going to talk about do-while loops in TypeScript. Let's see how it works. Mainly in do-while loop, first it execute the first set of codes and then it check the condition like this way. So let's see practically how it works. First, I'm creating a variable called let value equal 5, and then I'm creating my do while loop. Do open and close curly braces. I need to execute this loop while the value is less than or equal to 7, and I need to print the value in my console log, and I'm adding the incrementation of the value inside of my do while loop. So then I'm opening my terminal and I'm going to say ts, so ts, okay. It's giving this kind of error, so I think it's better to install TypeScript runner for that. By npm install -g tsx, I can install TypeScript runner, and we can say tsx app.ts. So see, you can see the console executing because it's a 5 value of 5 is already print, because once we execute that do, it initially execute whatever the script inside of it, then only it's looking for the condition. And again let's look at another example. I'm creating a variable called let x and assign the value for as 10, and I'm going to say do, and inside of that while loop, I'm gonna say x is lesser than 5. Actually it should be it should not be bug. It should not be bug because this condition is false. Okay, this condition is false, but inside that I'm going to say console.log this will print kind of things. This will print marks. Okay, let's see and check whether it's working or not. Again, tsx dot yes. See, even though this while loop is false, the first iteration, it means prior to check that while loop, it execute one time whatever the code inside. After that, it's checking for the condition. So that's how do while loop is working. So in the next video, we are going to talk about for loops in TypeScript. See you in there.